Hey there, PR7 here. Previously, I made a video on how to make your Windows PC look exactly like the latest Mac OS X El Capitan. You can see that by clicking the I button just right now. Seeing that, a friend suggested me to do the same with the Android. So here I'll show you how to make your Android device look like an iPhone running on iOS 9. So let's get started. Please watch the video till the end as the result was decent enough. So firstly, the easiest job is to get a wallpaper to make it look like the iOS 9. So you can just Google iOS 9 wallpapers, get an image which you like and set it as your desktop wallpaper for sure. This wallpaper made my Android look good itself. And now you have to download a bunch of files. The link will be in the description below. So keep installing. There will be a folder available for you to download, so you'll get all the APK files over there. You might get an unknown sources error while installing it. Go to settings, security, and hit a check on unknown sources and install all the APK files you'll get in the folder below. So after you have downloaded, firstly let's open iNoti, the app name iNoti. So enable it and other things you want, and you can see the notification bar has changed to that of an iPhone. So for comparison, you can see over here it looks very similar, just we don't have the stocks like the iPhone. There should be some difference at least, because it's just a ripoff, not the original iOS. So you have to turn on so that you get the notifications over there. And now it looks quite similar. Sunday 31st January, you'll get this video on February 1st probably. So this is how the notification bar looks. So let's proceed with the video and make the other features look alike. So now let's open the app called Control Center. Start and cancel whatever it comes and enable it. So you'll see one option at the below, and that will be your answer to the questions on where you will get the Wi-Fi toggles and all. So again, comparison of here, I was not quite satisfied with the Control Center, but it's okay because we'll get something at least, or else you have to open settings to open Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So here's the Control Center for you. Next up we have the lock screen, iPhone 6's lock screen. Enable it. You can also set a password pin to look exactly like that of the iPhone. You can also change the wallpaper. So I'll change the lock screen to my home screen wallpaper so that they look the same. And now for test. I was very satisfied with the result of the lock screen app, because it looks more or less quite similar, just we don't have that camera option, camera toggle in the lock screen, and it opens quite slow. It has a bit lag, but it's okay because you're getting something at least which is far very accurate. So moving on, we have the iOS 7 keyboard. Not many things have changed in keyboard from iOS 7 to iOS 8 to iOS 9, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, whatever. It has not changed much. So enable it and select it from the options there like I did. And now let's check the keyboard. So it looks quite similar. We also have the emojis, iOS 9 emojis, which have been pre-built from iOS 10. You just don't get the different color options on the skins and other stuff. So it's okay. You're getting the iPhone emojis. And now for the final part, after installing this iLauncher, everything is possible. Just wait and watch. Anyways, so this is the main appearance. Now I'll make the icons look similar to that of the iPhone. So in the dock below we have phone, and for browser, that is a Safari, we can choose Google Chrome. For the mail app we are choosing Gmail app, and for the music app we'll of course choose Google Play Music. So after that is done, I have arranged all the apps as per that of iPhone with similar apps with their counterparts, with the Apple Maps, with the Google Maps, etc., and downloaded some apps. So I will change the icons of it. For that, hold long press on it, hit on it, and hit on change icon and select the icon you want. You can Google them, iOS 9 icons, PNG, and get them. I will also add these icons in the folder below. You can download more. If you need more icons, you'll get it just by googling them. So I'll be setting it for all, same process, change icon, and I'll just fast forward this part. I'm doing this for the front page only, for the home page only, and you can do for as many pages you want. Just google them and you'll get as many icons required. And by the way, if you see clearly, the apps are doing the Harlem Shake of the iPhone. Okay, so this one is the last Google Play Music to the Apple Music. And so that's it. It looks very much like the iPhone. Just for comparison, it looks very similar. Just the Videos app, Maps app, and the wallet is not in the right size. You can get the right size in Google. I was too lazy enough to do so, correct it, so this is enough. Now you can change the title as well. So go ahead and change title. Play Store won't look nice, so you can change them to the Apple App Store. For iTunes, the same. SoundCloud too, I'll change it to iTunes Store. And now for the last, go to the Playbooks, hit on it, and change title and change it to iBooks. If you want to know the names of the other apps, you can pause the video where I'm showing the home screen of my iPhone and get to know all the apps over there. So you can do the same with all the others, and if you slide down, you'll get that same feature of the iPhone. When you slide down, you'll get the search option. Just you won't get the transparent keyboard, so you'll have to stay with the white one itself. So I was happy with the lock screen very much, and the same way the apps are flashed. So thanks for watching. Hope this video will help you. If you think this video sucked, then go ahead and dislike this video. But if you think this was cool enough, get subscribed and like this video and follow me on other social networks. I'll catch you in the next one. Hasta la vista. If it's not an iPhone, it's not an iPhone.